Hello, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my hibiscus drink or sorrel drink. This drink is very popular during the holiday season back home, and I love making it, especially during this time. So in this pan I have 1 cup of dried sorrel or hibiscus leaves, and these, well, not leaves, flowers, but they are cut, dried and sifted. I'm adding in half of a star anise, and I'm also going to add in 1 stick of cinnamon. I'm going to now add in some water to my pan. I am going to add between 6 to 8 cups of water. Now I'm starting off with 7 cups of water, but if during the boiling process, if you realize that you're getting a little low on water, you could always add in an extra cup of water to compensate for that. I really love my sorrel to have a very dark, rich color, a color that is very similar to red wine. So this is why I am using that much dried leaves. Dried flowers. Why do I keep saying dried leaves? So I'm going to put this pan on a medium heat, and I'm basically going to let that boil for a while. Gonna let it boil. After I let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes, 25 minutes max. And what I really love to do is I really love to let that sit in the pan overnight. I would not let it soak for over 24 hours, but I would let it soak for about 6 to 8 hours. So what I would do, I would cover this pan. As soon as I turn off the flame, I would cover the pan, let it sit overnight for about 6 to 8 hours. So this is the following day. This is the morning of the following day. As you guys can see, that really nice dark rich color, red wine looking color from my tea that I was brewing. I'm basically going to strain off those flowers because you definitely do not want that in your drink. I'm adding in my strained liquid to my jug, and in all I'm going to use about 1 cup and 2/3 of white sugar, and I'm making it very concentrated. The reason I love making my sorrel drink concentrated is it lasts a little longer. I can always put half of the drink to half the amount of water in my glass when I drink it. So that's definitely one of the ways. That's why I love making it very concentrated. So I can always dilute it to the amount of sugar I would like to. So I'm stirring it up, making sure all of the sugar crystals dissolve. So I am adding in my sorrel drink or my hibiscus tea to my cocktail cup of ice. Please serve this drink chilled. I would not suggest drinking it hot, especially with it being this rich. And there you have it. This is how I make my sorrel drink or my hibiscus tea drink. This is how we make it back home in the Caribbean. Some people add extra spices to it, but this is how I do it. Thank you so much for watching Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Have a happy holiday, and I will see you soon. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.